y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. Any day above and the under, it's a blessed day. Amen. Amen. Y'all, today is my lazy day. Very lazy day. So we're gonna do a burping video. Okay, y'all. Yeah.
But y'all enjoyed it, so.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, cousins.
Whew.
They got a lipstick you was fighting me over too.
The who?
The lipstick. You see it?
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay. So how is everyone's day?
Tired, don't ask me, okay? They're tired.
We're in Tigger today, and Tigger hanging out.
No, you stole my sweater.
You need to stop telling that lie.
I wore that sweater the entire 4 years of high school.
This sweater old as dirt. And it's still going strong, okay?
Still look brand new too.
Oh, excuse me. Still look good. Oh, yes. Y'all, it's gonna be a quick one. Ooh-wee. What you doing over there?
I'm living my best life.
I gotta do an ASMR video.
I got a baby. I need some money. Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Please don't let us get started. Okay?
All y'all chickens in trouble.
I know, right? Because I do need room for my legs. What?
Hey.
You gotta love the girl. She speaks how she feel.
Period.
Unapologetic. Y'all, why do people come on your page? They sit there and criticize what you do. Don't y'all know y'all can move along? Okay. Y'all know how many mukbangers out there? It's so many. I never knew. It's a lot. And I'm quite sure you can find somebody of your likings.
So many to choose from.
So many.
And then when 2020 comes, it's going to be another big
another million or so that join the field. Come on now. We need to spread more love and stop hating so much. The world will be a better place. This burping video is not. This soda ain't doing nothing.
It's probably cold. If you guys have any helpful burping tips, leave them in the comments, please.
Jaleel. Jaleel was Jaleel did. He what did he say? You gotta pull air in. I can never do it when I wanna do it. I don't know. Like my brain ain't working right now.
Y'all, her doors just constantly be opening and closing. Her door's possessed.
Girl, be quiet. What is wrong with her? No, my window is open. That's why. So all that it's nice. It's so nice outside, y'all. It's a beautiful day. Y'all, I had to take a break from eating today. Like, ooh, mercy. It's like, it's just bubbling up. I don't know what the heck that was.
It sound like it. That's a perfect description of it.
It was
bubbling.
It was like bubbling. Like it want to come out, but it don't want to come out. That's this horrible. Ooh, y'all. But I'm gonna keep doing these burping videos until I get that one perfect burp that I'm looking for. Cause I ain't got it yet. I just need to do maybe a week of none but burping. That's too much soda. No, I don't have to drink soda. I could, what else I could drink?
Here.
Yeah, I could drink. Ooh, I'm not a lover of it, but yeah, I could drink it because it's water.
You like Moss better?
No.
Moss is so nasty. I feel like I was just gonna. It was so fizzy.
No, I'll pass on that. My favorite flavor water though is vitamin water. I love vitamin waters.
Yeah, you do. She always should have picked vitamin water over Gatorade.
Yep, I love vitamin water. Ooh, they're not doing it today, y'all, but that's it from me today. I will see y'all tomorrow. Love you.